There has been a level of inconsistency in Roselle's housing market with some key numbers. We're looking to see if things start to stable or there's still a level of volatility in the month of November in Roselle's housing market. So we're going to discuss that and much more right after this. Hi, my name is Camille Haynes. I'm a local real estate agent in the Union County area. And as always, I want to thank you for taking a moment out of your day to watch my video on Roselle's, the real estate housing market for November 2023. As I said, there's been a level of inconsistency with some key numbers. And it's interesting as I'm going to go over some of these numbers as well, how some of those inconsistent numbers remained the same from 1 year ago, or from one month ago even too. So we're going to deep dive into some of these key numbers right now. Number one is that the number of new listings was virtually the same. Last year, 20 new listings were on the market in November. This year it is 21, so it's just a 5% difference. Like I said, one house difference, nothing significant. And as a result of that, it has unfortunately been unable to really help close the inventory shortage gap. Last year, there were 53 homes that were on the market. This year, it is 37, so that's down approximately 31%, 31% from 1 year ago. Another key number that is down, but it's a good thing, is the average days on market until a house successfully sells. Last year, the average days on market was 52 days. This year, it is 36. So that's down 31% from 1 year ago. And in a couple of moments, we're going to deep dive into the closed sales and take a little more of an extensive look on what's going on with the homes that closed in the month of November. And the third thing is that housing prices still continue to go up. Last year, the average sales price for a home was $402,500. This year, that number is $435,000. So that's up 8% from 1 year ago. And even better news, if you're a home seller in town, the year-to-date average for a home that has closed in the month, from year-to-date, from January to November, was at 14%, 13.9%. So Roselle is still one of the towns in the county that's still definitely performing very well year to date. So as I stated before, we're going to go ahead and take a more extensive look on what's happened with the closed homes in Roselle in the month of November. Hey guys, so like I did a couple of months ago, I thought now would be a good time to go back in front of my computer screen to show you guys what is happening in Roselle's housing market. I guess in real time, if you want to call it that, but our focus is what's happened in November. So we're going to be looking at properties that have sold in the month of November. So we're going to hit that search button, and you're going to see 15 homes come up. These 15 properties will include condominiums and townhomes. I did not separate them for the purpose of this video, but I do just still nevertheless want to point out a couple of important things. First off, we're going to be really focusing on these last two columns here on the left-hand side. One is the sales price to list price percentage, which is how much a home has sold either above or below its asking amount, as well as the days on market until a property has closed. So let's go ahead and look at this list price to sales price percentage. What you're going to see is a couple of things. Number one, let's go ahead and focus on line number 3, which is 504 West 3rd Avenue. This home sold approximately $25,000 underneath its asking amount, which is 8% below asking. Days on market, look at that. It's 52 days. So, when you have a home, homes on average selling in Roselle at 36 days on market. Homes that have been are breaking past the average days on market are given a little bit of a concession on their asking them on their list price. Another example right here. on line number 5, which is the one on Bonnevilla. This one asked got 30,000 less than its ask amount, which is at 9% below its ask amount. 171 days on the market. You have another one, even this one on West 5th, which is right underneath it, gave $10,000 less, so it came up to about 3% underneath its ask amount. Still was above the average days on market in town. So you will see that, but you also see, look at even the most expensive homes that closed in the month of November sold well above their asking amount. Normandy Place sold 35,000 above its ask amount, closed in 20, had offer accepted and under contract in 20 days. Dietz Street on the market for 8 days before it went under, it was under contract, sold 40,000 above its asking amount. So even in spite of the price, it's just a matter of the house shows well, if it's presented well, if it's in a great neighborhood, if it hits all the check marks, these homes can still sell well above their asking amount. And this is in spite of what you hear about, high interest rates and everything else. There's still buyers out there, and I just wanted to show you guys what the difference could be. Definitely, if you go ahead and take the time to make sure your house is properly presented to the buyer pool than if it's not. So all these homes that start like about over the 375,000 list amount. So look at that, line number 7 to the very end, all of them sold above asking, with the exception of one, which was line number 13 on West 5th Avenue, received asking amount and was on the market for 55 days. And then look at all of these homes under contract in less than a month. If that doesn't tell you what as a home seller, what you need to know, I don't know what else to say, but I just wanted to show you this important information. And there you have it, just a quick look of what's going on with the housing market in Roselle for the month of November. If you're a home seller or a home buyer looking to do something in the real estate field this upcoming year, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you out. Make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can hit that button below that will allow you to subscribe so you get notified every time I drop a video just like this one. And then also check me out on my other social media platforms as well, especially Instagram and TikTok. That information is dropping below me at this time. Otherwise, guys, I hope you have a great day, week, and I look forward to speaking to you next month. Take care.